about some Cadillac performance here at Unique, especially in classics. 2006 Cadillac XLR-V. Of course, the V supercharged and intercooled 4.4 liter V8 underneath the hood. 443 horsepower, 414 pound-foot of torque in this one. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirmed miles, a little over 47,000. Spent the majority of those miles on the West Coast. Actually, California and Nevada is where this one spent most of its time. Of course, all your modern amenities that you're going to have in a late model Cadillac: power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. Of course, it's the dual electronic climate control. Take a look at the front fascia grille. Good shape. Black Raven. Only 562 of these produced in 06 in the V series in black. Check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. As you can see, riding on the stock 19-inch XLR-V wheels. Drilled rotors behind there. Need some stopping power with all the horsepower this one has. Also drilled rotors in the rear. This particular one does have the ebony suede and leather combination interior. That would be a 6-speed automatic transmission. You see the shifter forward down in the center console. Of course, the retractable power hardtop on these. Made at the Bowling Green plant. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. At the end of the video here, we're going to start it up. Let's check out the engine bay. I'm going to have somebody assist me run that top up and back down so you can see the retractable top working. But in the still pictures, you'll be able to see it up and down underneath of this car. So the underside picks, engine bay, trunk with the top in it, folded up, and the top out. And again, those still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Pretty free of any nicks, dings, scratches up and down the driver and passenger side. It's black. You're going to find a few imperfections here and there, of course, up on the front when you got a little bit of that sloped nose cone. But overall, this one does show well. Let's go ahead and take a look at the interior. Now, the one thing I did notice, and if you can hear that clicking, we do have the CD changer, I believe, is what does click when you first open it up. And the power initiates, gives you the door chime, this and that. I noticed that CD changer was doing some clicking. Of course, power windows, power mirrors. In this particular case, memory seating buttons are down on the seats, power seats both sides, the Bose stereo system, heads-up display, driver's information center, steering wheel controls. All of the items and accessories you can expect on a 2006 Cadillac XLR-V. There's also a picture of the RPO codes if you want to see the exact options on this car, and that will be in the still pictures also. Go ahead and fire it up. Check out the exact miles there. You can hear that CD click. What I'm talking about, that's basically the changer makes that noise. As you can also hear, the radio's working. There's your exact miles, 47,972. No warning indicators, no check engine, anything like that. All we have here is my seatbelt is not on, so that's going to flash. The other little light down there will be your daytime running lamps. Of course, navigation system. AM, FM, CD. Your dual climate controls down here. I should say electronic dual climate control even. Dash in good shape. Not cracked, sun-baked. You'll be able to see right up there. You can see the heads-up display. Actually brighten it up a little bit. Move it up a tad bit. You can see where it moves. There it is. If you like it, leave it on, adjust it. If you don't, it can always be dimmed down, moved down, turned off. All right. Slip around to the back. Doesn't sound like we have any aftermarket exhaust or anything like that on here. Sounds good. Of course, the center dump exhaust. Rear parking assist sensors back here. Very highly optioned cars in 2006. Getting harder and harder to come by. All right, I'm going to pause this a second. I want to pop the hood so we can check out that engine bay, and then I'm going to demonstrate the top going up and down on this one, because I'm sure you're going to like to see that too. So hold on a second. Let's check out that engine bay. First of all, take a look at that hood liner. Very clean, but like I said, majority of the miles in this car, California and Nevada. Right now, a lot of driving in inclement weather. There it is, 4.4 liter. Supercharged and intercooled V8. 443 horse. Get you from 0 to 60 or 0 to 100 in a hurry. Nice looking, clean, stock, tidy engine bay. Runs smooth, sounds as it should. Hood strut's working. Alright, let's pause this one last time. I'm going to close that hood up and grab somebody to help me out. Let's run this top up and down.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
All right, got a little help for running this top up so we can demonstrate that for you. There we go. We'll take it all the way up for a cycle, let it latch, and we'll bring it back down. Very Transformers like when these came out. And it does latch into place all automatically. Nothing to do on the inside, but make sure you're in park. Hold the button. There it is, complete. We're going to run her back down so you can see it working the other way also. And here we go with it getting put away. You can see you do still have trunk space, even with the top in there. It actually folds over upside down, if you notice that. And there it is, 2006 Cadillac XLR-V. Just under 48,000 miles, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Most of the miles put on in California and Nevada. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.